In this lecture, we will see how to create this solid part. And for this, I have a drawing I'm showing you. So this is the drawing of this model. And here I have one front view, one sectional view, and this is the backside view, or these two isometric. So here I'm going to start with this upper portion, which is spherical at radius of 45. So first of all, I'm going to create a hemisphere. Then I will create this lower portion. So let's start this. So start with this sketch, and my working plane is this XY plane, and draw a circle of 45. So this plane is not properly, so cancel it, because I'm going to start with a sphere. So select this YG plane and circle, click here, and 45 is the radius, 90 will be the diameter. Draw one line, match this point with the origin, use trim, finish, and I'm using revolve. You can directly create a sphere and select this. My vector is this and 90 90, so it will create just half of this. Now see here, this upper portion is cylindrical, rest is not this spherical. See here, it is spherical up to this only. So click and select the front plane, draw a rectangle and dimension it whatever you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. And align with origin, its dimension is 110, and this gap is drag it outside. This one, this gap is 28. Now close. This dimension is very necessary, so keep this 28 and extrude and select this, use symmetric and cut it. So this is the left geometry. Now come to this portion, and my circle is 46. On this back side face, start with the circle, and 46 is a dia, finish, and this 46, see this 46, this is 5, see this is 5, so extrude this 5, 5 and unite. Okay, right. Now I'm going to create this portion, so use this face so that it will be easier for me to create or cut this portion and circle. Now this dimension is 41.6, you can find it here, and 24, this is 24, and the diameter is 37.5 into 2. Close, finish, and use cut, select this and in upper direction subtract. Okay, right, hide it. And now I'm going to mirror it 3 times, and the vector is this. Okay, zoom it. Now again come to this view, and here select this and click over this face. The outer circle is 66 in dia, and extrude it reverse direction and use this offset. So material which is outside of this circle will be removed, right? Now hide this. Now this internal slot, see this gap I want. So 42 and 20, two circle I need here. Select circle 20 dia, again one more with 42 dia, and click here, exit. And this will be 2 mm, the cut is 2 mm. Enter the 2 and reverse the side so that it will remove from the solid, right? Only some fillets and one hole is remain, so I am creating the hole. And M14 is the size of this hole, and chamfer is also there, M14. So click this and enable chamfer on start and disable at the end, and click OK. Right now some fillet is remain, so use this. Here it is 3 or 3.0. This will be 3, 3, 3. Pick it, pick this, pick this, and here also turn it and apply. And rest fillets are 2. Unspecified fillets are 2, so this is not specified anywhere. So I'm using this as 2. Reset, 2. Apply again and apply. So this is the model, and here I need one more cut. See, this one more cut is here, this one. And for this cut, this is 56 is the diameter. So click here, and the distance is given from the lower side. So I'm starting from here. Select OK, draw a circle, and 56 is the dia, and one more circle of 46. Click on the same center, finish, and use this extrude. Select one by one, or you can use this infer curve. And depth is 8, so 8 but in reverse direction, and let's see the result, right? Okay, and hide this. And now I will show you this section view. and flip. Now see, and let's match it. This should be come up to the lower face. Dress, this is okay, this is also okay, it is okay, and here it is also okay, but this thing is remain. So go to this and remove this, and I'm using this offset region. Select this face and this face. Okay, and 3.0. No, it is 5, and click. Right, now it is properly done. So this is the way we can create this kind of part. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.